Have you ever wondered that the character Gan Kluai from the Thailand animation uses the same design principle as the Garuda in the Thailand emblem, as well as the mythical creature Naga and Hanuman from Ramakien? These aren't coincidences. It's a pattern we have been using for centuries, and that's called anthropomorphism. But what is anthropomorphism? Let's start with the word first. It comes from two Greek words, anthropo, meaning human, and morphism, that means shape or form. And combined, it becomes anthropomorphism, which means when we put human attributes or features onto anything that is not human, like an object or an animal. And today, we're going to focus on the usage of anthropomorphism in Thailand. And its beginning lies in the Buddhist temple. Let's start with the most famous example, Hanuman from Ramakien. He's not just a monkey, but he's a man with a monkey body. He has magical power, a loyal heart, a kind soul, and a clear role in society. Drawn onto the temple's walls, he's not there just to be a decoration. He's there to represent morality, beliefs, and society in that era. This is how anthropomorphism was used in its simplest form, as a medium. Garuda is a half-man, half-bird creature living in the mythical heavenly forest of Himapan. It is said to possess a great wisdom and power. It is a symbol of high authority and the vision of the king, which is also the reason why it is on Thailand's national emblem. Anthropomorphism can represent power. The ruler of the underworld, Naga, often presented with love, wrath, and envy. While being an otherworldly creature, its soul is extremely human, making the audience be able to connect with the mythical creature, using anthropomorphism to make people understand more. As the time moves forward, so is the medium, yet its core remains. Gan Kluai, a little calf full of dreams, emotion, and love for his homeland. His experience with the world aren't what normal elephants feel, but they are what children of the Thailand feel. His character as a little calf represents all the children in Thailand, making them able to relate and love this character. Vada from the animated movie Khao Satra retells the tale of monkeys once again. But this time, anthropomorphism role isn't to represent a figure or power, but to convey the character being playful, naive, and wise, giving more flavor to the character. What is interesting is that Thai people still choose monkey to represent freedom and wisdom, like Hanuman centuries before, but refit for the new era. Hitakon is a festival where people make colorful masks based on different kinds of spirits and animals put together. In the past, these masks used to look scary and ominous. However, as the time passed, they slowly become more and more colorful and lively, changing from a highly religious event to a cheerful festival where everyone can enjoy. Khun Thong Dang isn't just a fiction, but an actual dog that was retold from our will, morality, and human perspective. He was loyal, earnest, and he has manners. To many, he wasn't just an ordinary dog, but a respectable figure that we should follow. This is another form of anthropomorphism, to understand animals' action in a human manner. Sisu, the dragon from Disney movie Raya and the Last Dragon. Like a human teenager, like she can talk, be sad, be happy, and be kind like our friend. And the usage of anthropomorphism to put human features into non-human isn't just exclusive to Thailand, but it has been used globally. But why do we use anthropomorphism? Why do we have to present something humanly to non-human creature? The answer is because anthropomorphism is a language that allows us to connect, to understand the thought of the character, to understand the meaning of what it presents, to understand the action to what we understand. Anthropomorphism allows us to understand the medium we use, which is why many Thai artists from the past till today still use anthropomorphism. Even if the time changed, the language that allows us to understand remains the same. From the mythical characters like Hanuman or Naga, to lovable cartoons character like Gan Klue on TV, to official national symbol like Garuda on Thailand's national emblem. All has been presented through non-human characters performing what humans understand. Anthropomorphism, the act of putting human features onto non-human, allowing humans to understand the emotion and the meaning through non-human objects. That is the power of anthropomorphism.